If you're anywhere near a television camera, assume that it's on. If you say something that you don't want quoted and the television camera was rolling, what you say will be on tape, and that's not good. Most reporters won't use the information, but it's not worth the risk. And so when you deal with reporters, always be professional. Take a look at this. So you believe the long-term future of the company is assured?
Yes, I certainly do, and we'll be around forever.
Lovely, thank you. That's fantastic. Thank you, Chenny.
Oh,
I appreciate that.
Not a problem, Mark. Gee, I feel like shit. You know, I've been out drinking all last night. And
Oh, really?
God,
I
I reckon I've had about 2 hours sleep. God, you know.
Oh, that was fine.
I'm a bit old for this sort of thing, I think.
Well, it sounded fine, I think. Didn't it? It sounded fine, Matt? Yeah, no, that's fine. So what time do you get to bed?
Oh, about 4 o'clock.
Oh, gosh,
yeah.
Okay.
Not good.
Are you a big drinker or not?
Oh,
Really?
yeah. Oh, most nights of the week. In fact, you know, some days I'll start work and, you know, I've been drinking. So.
All right, yeah. Not good. Now, when you're doing an interview with a reporter, only tell them things that you're happy for them to use in the story. And be aware that sometimes, as you're speaking to the reporter before your interview starts, the cameraman may have switched the camera on. You don't want that sort of conversation on tape.